Hello all. So I will be today showing you in Google spreadsheet how you can convert a English language text to Hindi or Bengali, and in a similar fashion convert those Bengali and Hindi names to English back again. So I have some name with me: Ramdas, Ajay Saxena, Alok Hajra. Let me insert a blank. So I am inserting a row, so every function related to insertion will be present in the insert tab, and I'm telling Google spreadsheet to insert one row above, and I'll be writing here name, followed by here in the next cell I'll be writing the name in Hindi and then the name in Bengali. So the function here we will be using is Google Translate, the function, and it is asking for the text which is Ramdas, and source language means Ramdas, its source language means in which language it has been written in. It has been written in EN for English, and I will be converting it to HI for Hindi, bracket close, and then press enter. So Ramdas has been converted. Drag all the way across to the down to load the other names. So Ajay Saxena. For Bengali, what I will be doing is that again I will be using Google Translate, this function, and I will be selecting this Ramdas, and the source language is in English, and I want to convert it to EN for Bengali. Then press enter. It's Ramdas. Now click and drag all the way across to the down. The Ajoy section, Alok Hajra, it has been converted. Now my last motto would be to roll back the changes if some data is being present in Bengali or something like that. I want to convert it to English, and how can we do that? So back again I will be writing English, and I will be saying that equal to Google Translate. Let's see if it works or not. We will be taking this as a reference, and it's written in BN for Bengali, and I want to convert it to EN, semicolon, and close. Yeah, Ramdas. So that's all for this short video tutorial. So happy coding, guys. Try it on your on your own in Google spreadsheet, and achieve whatever has been shown to you guys. Thanking you all. Happy coding, guys, and that's all.